Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Hazi Jimmy and here with me is
I am Muhammad Afiq bin Cik Muhammad Dawn.
Encik Muhammad Afiq. Now I want to ask you about renewable energy. Do you have any idea what is renewable energy?
I don't have much knowledge about renewable energy, but I have seen that solar is one of renewable energy because I have seen solar panels on the roof of the house in my neighborhood.
Yes, you are correct because solar is one of the renewable energy that have been found in Malaysia and they found and used in Malaysia. But there's some other renewable energy also, and to teach you and to let you know what are the other renewable energy source, we can watch this video. Climate change is the current rapid warming of Earth's climate caused by human activity. If left unchecked, it poses an unprecedented threat to human civilization and the ecosystem on this planet. These heat-trapping gases are warming the earth and the ocean, resulting in rising sea levels, changes in storm patterns, altered ocean current, changes in rainfall, melting snow and ice, more extreme heat events, fire and drought.
In our modern era, people nowadays have been used to many electricity in our daily life. We, as an intelligent human, should aware the electricity source is limited and will be end in one day. So, what are our plans in restoring energy for the use of the future life and the next generation? Honestly, the most effective plan in restoring energy is using renewable energy as our source. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy is clean energy comes from natural sources or processes that are constantly replenished. On the other hand, what is defined as dirty energy? It is non-renewable energy or dirty energy includes fossil fuels such as oil, gas, and coal. Non-renewable energy sources are only available in limited amounts and take a very long time to replenish. So, that's why we need renewable energy. There are many types of renewable energy sources. One of them is solar energy. Solar, or what we call photovoltaic cells, are made from silicon or other materials that transform sunlight directly into electricity. Distributed solar system generate electricity locally for homes and business or company. Making solar farm can generate power for thousands of homes and companies. Advantage of solar energy is it don't produce air pollutants and greenhouse gases effect. Second is wind energy. What's meant by wind energy? Wind energy are turbines as tall as skyscraper with turbine. Wind energy turns a turbine's blade which feed an electric generator and produce electricity. Its advantage is it produces no atmosphere that causes acid rain. Last but not least is hydroelectric power. Hydropower relies on water that typically fast-moving water in a large river or rapidly descending water from a high point and convert the force of that water into electricity by spinning a generator's turbine blades.
Okay, from the video that you have watched, can you comment something on that?
From the video, I realized that Malaysia relies heavily on coal to produce energy because it produces harmful substances into our environment.
Yes, you are correct because by harvesting energy, by generating energy using coal, it will produce CO2 which will produce a greenhouse effect on the earth. Okay, so you say you only know about solar in Malaysia. Then you have watched the video and now I believe you know other than some source of renewable energy other than solar. Can you explain and give me an example?
From I've seen from the video, I realized that other than solar, there have been hydroelectric and also wind turbine and many more.
Okay. Thank you. So you have learned so much today.
Yes.
And thank you very much for your time.
Okay.
And see you again.
Hi, I'm Arif Zamri, your host for today. Now I'm with one of your UiTM Shahlam student from Faculty of Electrical. Can you please state your name, sir?
My name is Muhammad Khalid Beroslan.
Okay. So sir, do you know how to conserve energy in UiTM? As I can see, you are one of students in this faculty.
Which conservation energy in UiTM?
Yes.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't have any clue about that.
It's okay. So we watch this video first.
So, what can we do as a student or staff of UiTM to contribute in saving the energy for the better of our next generation to come? Step 1. Switch off the equipment when not in use. Turn off the light when they are not in use because 90% of energy consumed by light is wasted in the form of heat. Step 2. Replace all the light with LED lights. LED lights are energy efficient, more safe long life and zero UV emission, operate on the voltage and consume less power. So, replacing LED will conserve energy. Step 3. Regular cleaning of AC filter. Poor maintenance of air conditioners ensures a steady decline in air conditioning performance, while energy use steadily increases. So, proper maintenance needed to reduce energy wastage. Step 4. Use heavy equipment in off-peak hours. During off-peak hours, the generated electricity is not utilized to the fullest, so instead of using the heavy equipment during peak hours, using it during off-peak hour, we will save the energy demand. Step 5. Optimal temperature setting and auto cut-off mode. Setting a low temperature will make air conditioners to work longer and consume more energy. So, setting an optimal temperature will conserve small amount of energy each day. Step 6. Avoid leaving the equipment in standby mode. Computers or laptops on standby mode will consume some energy. Instead, turning off the system can save some amount of energy consumed. So, let's join hands to practice this step to save the energy for the future.
Okay, from the video just now, what do you think of energy conservation?
Okay, based on the video that I have watched, there are a lot of steps we can take into conservation of energy in UiTM. First, we must switch off all the equipment that not in use because 90% of the energy that consumed by light is waste in the form of heat. Second, we must replace all the light with LED light because it is more efficient and have zero UV emission. Lastly, we must avoid all leaving equipment in standby mode because it can consume some energy instead of turning off the system itself.
Okay, that's good. It's correct. So, do you think energy conservation is needed to be applied in UiTM?
Yes, I think that energy conservation is very important and needed to apply in the UiTM.
Okay, thank you for your time. Okay, as we can conclude for this video, renewable energy and energy conservation is needed to be applied in UiTM. So thank you and see you later.